This didn't go quite as we had planned or hoped.
Well, we had a few issues.
It does run.
First and foremost,
Brakes work.
well, I'm talking about issue-wise.
I'm
Brakes
trying to
works.
be positive here, okay?
Brakes work.
Engine runs good now.
Reverse works.
Reverse works great.
There stands our problem. So we were trying to load it. It was actually drivable, and hopefully I can get a few short videos from a friend of mine who happened to be here while we were trying to load it last night.
Yeah, I thought I would get more video of driving into the car show since it was dark. I didn't count on what happened.
So we got it lined up, and I was backing up just to get a little straighter to the trailer because this trailer that we have is a little snug, and we'll discuss that in a minute. When I tried to go forward again, it didn't want to.
It has no more forward momentum.
But we're hoping maybe it was a combination of how I was using the shifter, because this is what kind of transmission is it?
Hydromatic.
Hydromatic, so it's possible that I put it in park and didn't know it.
Yeah, but that was just when you shut it off.
Oh.
Yeah, it didn't have anything. You can't put this one in park, or its version of park, when it's running. You have to put it in reverse, shut the engine off, and then shift out of reverse, and it locks it to the engine.
So, problem number 2. Well, we went down there,
Well,
we got it loaded, we made it down there on time. Now, obviously, we don't stand a chance on anything being fancy as of this point, but give me a chance. Next year will be better.
next year I'm hoping it drives. At least forward. Even if it's not the highway, I'll take forward at this point.
So we did have to, bit the car show with the car on the trailer, but we got a lot of attention because it's different. It's not
There was
your,
not another chieftain at the car show.
it's not your Chevy Bel Air. It's not a Tri-5. It's,
Well, Chevy Bel Air is a Tri-5.
well,
55,
okay,
56, 57 Bel Air.
okay. So
Bel Air is just a fancier one.
it was different, and it got lots of people's attention, and that's what I like about my Pontiac, is that it's different. So, show went great. Then I was coming home.
Well, actually, it wasn't coming home. I moved 5 feet and said, that's not right.
And that was the problem with the trailer.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have a future video on what are we gonna do?
Hmm.
What are we gonna have to do to the trailer?
That's what the video will be about, is figuring that out. Because I can tell you what has happened is the highway between here and the car show was so rough, and the bushings were older on the suspension components. I don't think I have a single bushing left in my suspension on the back axle of the trailer.
So if you live in Oklahoma, you completely understand.
The axle actually developed about a 6-inch swing back and forth, which, as you might guess, can put things in a bind and can be very bad. So we took the back way home and avoided highway speeds. We just eased our way about 20, 25 miles an hour home, because that was a whole lot easier than trying to deal with it at the side.
With me holding my breath, driving behind them,
She was
hoping that nothing was going to happen.
She was
to
a
my
lot
baby.
more worried than I was. At 20 miles an hour, it would have just broke and been right there. That's why I wanted it on the back road, not the highway.
So we're going to have some video of the car show. Unfortunately, we were unable to talk while we were videoing, because it was also being sponsored by a radio group, and it has music on there
And a 30-mile-an-hour wind did not make audio really that good anyway.
that we can't play without copyrights music.
So
So we'll have some.
we're going to show you what the car show looked like here in just a minute. We'll talk about it as it goes, but
we did have fun.
yeah, it was fun. It was your first real car show, so. All right, well here's the montage of the show. That at least gave you an idea what the 2023 Grant Car Show looked like. There was quite a bit of stuff there, some variety this year.
It was technically called the Choctaw Casino Classic Car Show 2023.
Okay, that's what it was really named. It's the car show in Grant, as far as I'm concerned. That's easier. Well,
Thank you for joining Rusty Adventures. Until next time.
thanks for watching.